You can easily make a beautiful project from this scarf or waist yarn in just 10 minutes. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful project from this scarf or waist yarn. It's so easy and beginner friendly. You can easily make it in just 10 minutes. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so if I posted a new video you will be notified, and watch this video till the end. Let's begin with the magic ring and insert your hook. Now we are going to make chain 3 and then make 2 triple crochet, yarn over twice and then yarn over, pull through just like I'm doing, and again triple crochet. Now we are going to make chain 3, 1 2 and 3, and then slip stitch in the magic ring. Now we are going to chain 2, 1 2 and then make 1 double crochet in the magic ring, and then again chain 2 and slip stitch in the magic ring. Then again make chain 2, make 1 double crochet, again make chain 2, then slip stitch in the magic ring, then make 3 chains, and then now again make 2 triple crochet in the magic ring, 1 and 2. Now make 3 chains, 1 2 3, and then again make a slip stitch in the magic ring and chain 1. Now we are going to pull the yarn of the magic ring to tighten it. Just make it tight. Just tight it. Now we are going to cut the yarn. Just cut it and pull the yarn and just tight it just like I'm doing, and hide the yarn. Now we need a small piece of white color yarn, just like I'm taking, and fold it in half, and then we are going to just follow the pattern what I'm doing right now. Just place it here just like I'm doing, and then pull the yarn, both yarn from the middle. Pull the yarn from middle and tighten it. And make a knot. Now we are going to make a knot from from 2 yarns of white color yarn. So make a knot. Then cut the extra yarn. Our cute little butterfly is ready. See how cute is it? You can easily make it from your scarf yarn. You just need a little bit of yarn for this. You can attach it in your earrings. You can make earrings from it and attach it to your hair clip. You can easily make it just like what you want. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you will learn your best. So thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.